In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change your headlights in a Nissan Pathfinder. This should be the same from about 2013 to 2020. I'm going to be upgrading the lights. It'll be a little bit brighter at night and in the morning, but not too bright that you're impeding oncoming traffic. Pop the hood. Install your hood prop rod. Driver's side. Now this one right here is going to be the brights, and this one right here, this is closest to the fender. That one's going to be the low beam. That's the one we're changing. Now if you want, you can remove this piece here if you want, but you don't need to. All you have to do is just bend it in a little bit, and then you can get a hold of this bulb. The easiest way is just to bend this kind of plastic a little bit out of the way, and then you want to remove this wire harness right here. You see this little tab? Most people try to push this down, but it actually goes up. So you're going to kind of pull it away. You can use a flathead screwdriver, just lift this tab, and then I'm going to pull off the wire harness right there. Put the wire harness off, it's a little easier to remove the bulb. You're going to rotate it to the left or counterclockwise. So I'm going to rotate like that, and then you can just pull it straight out. These are the bulbs I'm going to be using. These are going to be quite a bit brighter, but not too bright that oncoming traffic is going to flash you your brights. And the part number is going to be H11. Now don't just tear these open and install them. You must use latex gloves whenever you're handling light bulbs. I've got the package open, and now I'm going to use latex gloves whenever I touch these. It doesn't matter how many times you wash your hands, the oil from your fingertips will get on the bulb and it will cause a hot spot, and that will cause your bulb to burn out. Now when I insert the bulb where the harness plugs in, that should be facing the engine, because we're going to rotate it to the right, and we want the harness plug-in to wind up down. So I'm just going to push this rubber piece in, insert the bulb. See how it kind of just fit in there and it flattened out? You can rotate this around and it's going to fit down into some grooves. So you can see that that plug-in is still facing the engine. And now I'm going to push in, rotate to the right until this is straight up and down. And you'll kind of feel it lock into place a little bit. Now with one hand, I'm just pushing this rubber piece out of the way. I'm going to grab the harness. See how it's lined up right there? And I'm just going to push it onto the new bulb, and you'll hear it kind of click in place. But it's best if you put your thumb right here on top to kind of hold it. You got these two fingers here. Don't just push up on this, you're putting all the pressure on the bulb. So I got my thumb on the bulb, another finger on this wire harness. I'm just going to squeeze together, and then it will lock in place. Now another way, I'll show you the passenger side. I've got the two push fasteners taken out. You can remove this rubber piece completely and give you a little more access. Go ahead and do this passenger side. You can pretty much do this all with this flathead screwdriver. Just flip that up, push straight down, that gets the harness off. Now this one, same thing, we're going to rotate it to the left. You can see what position it's at. It's kind of like the 5 o'clock position. Go ahead, pull it straight out. The new bulb in, you can see that it's kind of sitting in there at that 5 o'clock position if you're looking at it like a clock. You're going to push in and rotate down. So now that kind of harness adapter is pointing straight down. Now we just need to grab our wire harness, get this lined up. There, it's lined up right there. So I'm just going to use 2 fingers, squeeze together so you hear it snap into place. And then if you did remove this rubber trim piece, just go ahead and push your push fasteners back in. We've got both headlights in. Go ahead and close up the hood. Make sure you didn't leave anything laying up here. That's all there is to it, guys. The biggest tip I can give you is use latex gloves when installing your new bulbs. Like I said, it doesn't matter how many times you wash your hands, there'll be a little bit of oil residue that will get on that bulb, cause a hot spot, cause it to burn out prematurely. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.